Hello, in this video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of UbuntuDDE Remix and some of the applications pre-installed. UbuntuDDE is a remix flavor of Ubuntu system with Deepin Desktop Environment DDE. UbuntuDDE is a fusion of Ubuntu-based system created by Canonical and Ubuntu strong community, and one of the most beautiful desktop environments in the Linux world, Deepin Desktop Environment. With the stable kernel of Ubuntu and better support on graphics drivers, UbuntuDDE can be a solid choice for Linux newcomers. The Deepin Desktop Environment is an astonishing desktop environment that is originally designed and maintained by Deepin Technology and Deepin Community. DDE consists of the desktop environment, window manager, control center, launcher, and dock. DDE is a modern-looking elegant desktop environment giving a different taste of desktop experience. UbuntuDDE has a modern and efficient user interface for stunning user experience. It has a modern dock that gives users a convenient place to access apps and features. UbuntuDDE provides a modern control center with an intuitive design to its users. An all-in-one control center that is easier for users to access and control on different aspects of the system. From system configuration, user accounts management to customization, all in the single dash. UbuntuDDE yields and operates software packages from Ubuntu repository. Ubuntu repository mirrors are spreaded worldwide. Hence, make the updates faster, easier and stable. The UbuntuDDE team ensures that the DDE packages from the upstream, Linux Deepin repository, also will be distributing the current immense DDE via over-the-air update. The initial release of UbuntuDDE was in April 2020. UbuntuDDE uses systemd as is in its software and supports BTRFS, X3, X4, JFS, RicerFS and XFS file systems. For package management, UbuntuDDE uses apt. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the apt package manager. For self-contained applications, UbuntuDDE uses Snap. UbuntuDDE includes version 5.11.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of UbuntuDDE are Firefox, Thunderbird, Movie, GIMP and LibreOffice. Please feel free to tell me what you think of the latest release of UbuntuDDE in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video, and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.